Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone serious about emergency preparedness, the JUSAID Tourniquet 2-pack. This is the ultimate tool for combat, tactical first aid, and medical emergencies. Let's explore why this tourniquet stands out as the fastest, safest, and most effective option on the market. First up, let's talk about the design and build quality. The JUSAID Tourniquet is made with high-quality materials designed to withstand extreme pressure and harsh conditions. It's perfect for both upper and lower limbs, effectively blocking blood flow in case of severe injuries. What really sets it apart is its single-handed application capability. Imagine you're in an emergency and you're the only one who can act. This feature allows you to apply the tourniquet quickly and efficiently without any assistance. The intuitive design means that even under stress, you can stop bleeding swiftly and effectively. Additionally, it comes with a durable windlass system that provides true circumferential pressure to completely occlude blood flow. Once tightened, the windlass locks in place, ensuring that the pressure is maintained during transportation or while awaiting further medical help. Now, why should everyone have the JUSAID Tourniquet in their first aid kit? It's not just for military or tactical use. This tourniquet is perfect for a wide range of scenarios. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just driving around town, it's small and lightweight enough to carry anywhere. The tourniquet's universal size fits most arms and legs, so you don't have to worry about it being too small or too big. Plus, it's weather resistant, which means it won't let you down in rainy or wet conditions. The red oval marking on the tip provides additional visual cues, making it easier to apply even in low-light situations. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what some customers are saying. This tourniquet has an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon, with over 3,000 reviews. Many users highlight its ease of use and reliability during critical moments. One reviewer mentioned how the tourniquet's single-handed application saved precious minutes in an emergency, which made all the difference. Another customer praised its durability and effectiveness, saying it's an excellent addition to any emergency kit. There are countless stories like these, showcasing just how vital this tourniquet can be in life-threatening situations. At just $14.99 for a pack of 2, the JUSAID Tourniquet offers incredible value for money. You're not just buying a product, you're investing in a tool that could potentially save a life. And considering its versatility and durability, it's a smart purchase for anyone looking to be prepared for unexpected emergencies. To wrap things up, the JUSAID Tourniquet 2-pack is a game-changer for anyone who wants to be prepared for emergencies. Its top-notch build quality, ease of use, and reliable performance make it an essential part of any first aid kit. Whether you're a professional in the field or just someone who wants to be prepared, this tourniquet is a must-have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and survival tips. You will find Amazon's link in the description of this video. Stay safe, everyone.